Hello everyone, welcome back to Guide to Everything. In today's video, I'll show you on how you can design t-shirts with Photopea. Basically, the easiest way to do this is to go ahead and get yourself a mock-up to basically start from something, not from scratch. Now I have a ready website right here from Photopea. It's going to be the t-shirt Photoshop mockups PSD template. You can simply select another template if you want to, like this one. But in my case, I'm going to select this one right here. Basically, both of the templates will work just fine. Just go ahead and find your own template. And basically from here, you can just customize this the way you want to. Now, you will have different templates depending on the mock-up that you found. But what you want to do is to go ahead and find the your logo layer onto the mock-up right here. Now with this one, let's try to go ahead and find it. It's going to be inside something like the resources, the tags, and then we have the 1 and 2 right here, which is going to be the logo for both of the t-shirts right here. Now in our case, I'll edit out this simple image right here. So we have a simple logo. I'll just hide that logo for now because I want to add it or add my own twist into my photos or t-shirt design right here. To do that, it's extremely simple. Basically, first things first, you just want to drag and drop your photo that you want to put as your logo. In my case, I'm going to put Iron Man right here. And the next thing that you can do is to go ahead and separate your logo from the background. Now, it's extremely simple to do that. Just click on the object selection tool, click on your layer, and from here you can then start highlighting your object. You can even customize this even better by clicking on the quick selection. Now I'm clicking on plus to unite more outline, and then I'm going to minus some by clicking on the ununite or subtract tool right here. Basically, right after that, you can now separate your layer by pressing Ctrl J, erase your background layer, and from here we're left with the Iron Man logo. So once again, just click on your photo right here, click on the move tool, and then you want to click on the transform controls. Resize your photo the way you want to. And basically with that, you can also add effects by double clicking on your image. And I want to add something like an outer glow. And then let's add a color red because Iron Man is red. And then let's simply reduce or increase the size of our outer glow right here. And so with that, that's basically how you design t-shirts in Photopea. There's multiple ways to do this by looking up mockups to any websites, but in our case, that is the easiest way for you to design t-shirts manually in Photopea. If this video has been helpful, leave a like, subscribe, and follow Guide to Everything for more videos like this. Thanks for watching.